G'day guys, Nathan here from Squirrel Mortgages. Welcome to June's monthly mortgage update. We are right in the middle of winter, and as the temperature is going down, the interest rates are also slowly going down. Quite exciting to see the official cash rate drop from 3.5% to 3.25%, and the best one-year rate available as of today is around 4.85%. Whether the rate's going to go down again in middle of August, it's a bit of a question mark, as few economists have started to predict that inflation may be steady-ish, so the rates may not go down as quickly as they have been over the last few months. First-time buyers, they've been pretty active over the last month. In our office, they are roughly around 35 to 40% of what we are doing right now. The issue and the challenge we've got in the market at the moment is the supply and not an urgency to buy. So in the first-time buyer space, you've got a lot of properties on the market. If you look at Christchurch, the listings in Christchurch are on a historic high. So there are plenty of buyers out there because the rates are going down, but there are plenty of properties on the market. So there's no real urgency in that sort of under 700k mark. And if the properties are coming up in your typical Redwood, Hornhay, Belfast, Bishopdale, Hornby, High, Broomfield, they get snapped up pretty quickly because interest rates are lower, affordability is still there, and if your jobs are secure, I think it's probably one of the best time to buy your first home. Bit of a competition that's kicking in from the last couple of months we've noticed is around that 800k to 1.3, 1.4 million mark. Your typical home buyers, they are selling their property, buying another one, kids are growing up, school zones, or for whatever reason they need to upgrade. That's where I think there is a bit of a competition coming in. Chatting with a couple of auctioneers, the auction clearance has gone up from the last month slightly by sort of 5-10%. So there is early signs of that market is recovering, but slowly, surely heading into a right direction. Refinances are just steady in the office. Anything that we can do to assist you consolidate any short-term loans, business finances, credit card, hire purchases, car finances, store cards, great opportunity to just consolidate everything into one, make your life easy with lower payments and save a lot of money on interest. Construction is also coming back slowly with few of our clients now started to buy sections and sorting out the fixed price contract. So I see there will be a bit of a shortage of land over the next 6 months' time, as a lot of developers, they are starting to just release slowly, and often we know those titles can take 6 to 9 to 12 months. As a team, we had an awesome trip in Otago, visiting a lot of builders and developers in Queenstown, Wanaka, Cromwell. Fascinating to see the level of construction that's going on in Wanaka is absolutely unbelievable. So if you or anyone you know who are looking at doing maybe some sort of project, buying an investment property, building a spec home in Queenstown or Wanaka, just let us know. We have access to a lot of different non-bank lenders and construction lending, and with our own lending being the most competitive in the market, we can help find a really good solution for those builders and developers. So we are in a bit of a steady market at the moment, and I should be able to give you some more updates as we have some more news by the banks. So look after yourself, stay warm, and I look forward to catching up with you end of next month. Thanks very much.